What are we making?
You'll never guess.
Hey, is that a paper plane with my business card? Look, I can call myself.
and cocktail on the nose.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Danny and Derek going to show you how to make the paper plane. Again, haven't done this for like 8 years, 7 years, some number
Who
of
doesn't
years.
like a paper plane?
Dude, I like paper plane.
I think I know somebody.
So, recipes: 3/4 ounce of bourbon, 3/4 ounce of Aperol, 3/4 ounce of Amaro Nonino, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. I'm all about 3/4 ounces.
That's a 3/4 ounce.
It's all the same.
Damn,
measure.
3/4.
So I got a second bottle. I bought
These are
this.
great cocktails because they're just easy to remember.
I know.
That's good stuff.
So at the New Hampshire liquor store, not too far from the Goldschlager picture I sent you.
Yeah.
They had this, and then next to it they had the Reserva.
Oh.
That was $100.
Ooh.
And I was like, $100 for an Amaro. I was close. But I had just spent like a lot of money at the beer store because I bought all this stuff. And I was like, I'm probably just going to just get this one. But if it wasn't
How much was that one?
50.
Yeah, see, it's so expensive.
Yeah, it's still not cheap.
Yeah.
But it's like 50% more. No, 100% more? Yeah, whatever. It's a larger degree more. Did I get a discount? I did not. Oh, look, enjoy the paper plane cocktail.
Yeah, see?
Is it this cocktail? It's the same one.
See?
Same recipe. So maybe next time, it works better when the kids aren't in school because this is a bad time of year because of college payments. But
It's always a bad time of the year.
it's always something.
When you have children, it's always a bad time of the year.
Yeah. Ah! But I almost did it. I did not. And I couldn't fathom. I should have probably got it. Now I'm feeling bad about it.
No.
Yeah, because
It's hard when you're restocking a lot of stuff. Like you got beer, you're like.
Yeah, I know, but I was like, now I'm thinking, I could have made like some different, like I could have used it as a when I make my whiskey cocktails, like with Manhattans. That's been with Amaro Manhattan.
I know I haven't had Amaro Manhattan in a while.
Yeah, I haven't had one in a while yet either since last fall.
Yeah,
I don't understand. Like it's the question of the day. You guys could write comments on this. Like, do you have like do you feel a specific type of drink or food during certain periods of year, and other times it's just gross? Like there's certain drinks that like I'm not even thinking about it in the summertime. Eggnog. And then fall comes. Eggnog is highly specific.
Yeah.
But like then fall comes and I'm like, oh, you know what I haven't had in a while? I haven't had whiskey sour. I haven't had this. I haven't had that. And I'm like, oh, that's because I don't have any desire to have a whiskey sour in the summertime.
I mean,
I'm thinking tiki rum, like juicy drinks, sweet drinks, and then like this time I'm like potent drinks, alcohol.
Like Manhattans are definitely.
It's a good drink.
It's definitely more of like a fall, winter drink.
Yeah, I like to have those before bed, and I sleep really easy.
We've been having a lot of Boulevardiers. That's like
that was almost good. I almost put the Boulevardier up here, but I thought we had too much Campari.
Boulevardier is a favorite.
Yeah, that's a Campari drink, though, right?
Yeah.
Campari and rye or whatever. So I was like, I figured we had 4 Campari drinks. I probably wanted something that was not Campari. For those that might.
But you gotta give Ian his day.
Yeah.
So you went with Aperol.
Yeah.
Which is.
They're all going to have some sort of bitter.
It's about as close to Campari as you get, I think.
Well, the other one was the Montenegro.
I mean, Chinar and stuff, but I mean, like.
Yeah, there was a couple.
It's got color, it's bitter, it's used a lot of the same ways.
This is what people suggest if you don't have Amaro Nonino. But this is darker, so that drink isn't going to look as good. Because it's going to look.
This is actually really good, though. You drink this by itself.
This is not too bad. Yeah, these might actually be the same color. But this can be sometimes hard to get. So I think this is easier to get, I guess. I don't know.
They didn't have it in our liquor store.
I don't think we haven't drank that, have we?
I saw it. It comes back and forth, and I noticed they had it last time, so I had it on my list of things to get.
Oh, it's not red. Okay, it looked red for a second.
Yeah, so same with this. This looks like it was going to be brown like Fernet, but it's not. It's like
it's kind of
clear.
like Fernet.
Is it dark like Fernet?
Have you tried? Did you try it?
Is that
Yeah.
Luxardo?
It's really like
Ramazzotti.
Oh, that's Amazon. Yeah, I bought that because why not? It's like literally, I was just like, oh, it's a new Amaro I've never seen before.
You tried it though.
Yeah, no. I mean, I probably tried it like 8 months ago.
It's like I want to say minty, but it's not minty. It's,
right. That's that Fernet flavor.
So that's it. Yeah, it's really eucalyptus.
Yes, it's the eucalyptus flavor.
But Amaro is what?
Bitter?
No, like what is it?
Nonino? It's like it's hard. It's all like fucking monks and herbs and shit.
Like addicting. Monks and herbs and
Try
shit.
this?
Did we talk about this drink at all?
No.
Okay. We're just kind of chit-chatting.
Yeah.
We're just chit-chatting about Amaro.
Yeah,
It's a good drink, though.
It
It
drifts.
is a good
It's
drink.
always good.
The show drifts as we kind of adapt and start
It does.
to move about. This is a good drink. The thing I don't like about it is it's just too small for me.
I wish I would have made a
double
little
that.
paper plane to put on it. That's the thing.
Me too. Kind of bummed, but
There's
Need a little
probably
piece of paper.
I don't know if there's any paper around here.
I got it.
You found paper?
Derek, do you
Nope.
have
You gotta
a
really
smoker?
You have a smoker. What type of smoker? Like a one where you cook on, or like one that you make
Cocktail
smoked
smoker?
cocktails? Because I have
We have
because
both.
You have both.
yes to both.
We have both.
So why do you need the clarification?
Yeah.
I think this is good. This is another drink I could only have one of.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
It's a little dry for me. Like,
You got lots of-
No,
it's
no,
kind of like,
bourbon?
what's the other Aperol drink we make with mezcal?
Division Bell.
Division Bell. Division Bell kind of does it to me too. It like,
We make those
It's
things
like-
in
I know, but like sometimes like it dries me out. Like,
Really?
yeah, like I like it.
it's the citrus. Like that one at least has citrus.
Mm.
So like you get a little. It makes you want to keep taking sips.
I don't know why,
This
but
one
this
doesn't
card
have
says
as
peyote
much.
on it.
Smoker
So I hope
for
it didn't
cocktails.
matter.
Smoker.
Peyote.
Yeah, it says peyote.
Now you need a little clothespin.
It fits.
It's big
There
enough.
you go. It's like a jet fighter.
Oh look, it's
Yeah.
it's my business card.
Well, there's
Yeah.
the jet pilot,
That's a
Yeah.
different
which is
drink.
a tiki.
What was the question? Oh, the smoker for cocktails.
Smoker for cocktails.
Yes, I have a smoker. It's already over there. It's a smoker for a cocktail. I do. It tends to make this entire place.
What's
really smoky,
happening?
though. Well, the cool part is if you just put a little weed in there, everyone's gonna be high.
That's true.
Because a smoker is just like somebody that's doing a big bong rip that just doesn't stop.
That's true.
Forever. Like it just blows up. The smoker is cool. Here's the problem with the smoker: is they're very expensive. It's like $100 minimum. I used to sell them, and super popular. Also very popular for people to try to steal. Like if you want to like get scammed, people for some reason buy smokers as a scam. I don't understand why. But it's complicated. Like you just have to braille the smoker. You gotta get the stuff on top.
Do you think it makes that much of a difference?
No.
Like I've had drinks where like, yeah, they come
It's better to
out.
have the bar do it than do it yourself.
Yeah, and they're like smoked and they open it up and they're like,
There's some
oh,
theater.
and it like, wait, yeah,
the theater,
waves
the
and you can
theater
smell
is
it.
cool.
But after that, you're like, yep, tastes like a fucking old fashioned.
Yeah.
Like,
We had one at that Raised by Wolves. I think I had one smoked one there.
yes,
That
The
was
theater
good.
of it is cool.
So
it's good.
yeah.
It's overrated. Like
Were you at the Eddie V's when
No.
Lyman got one that like came out in a case? And
oh yeah, they put them like
I
and
got
they put a piece of wood under
Oh,
it.
did you?
In San Diego?
No, this
Okay.
was
Because I
here.
got one in a case in San Diego. Do you remember
Was that at the Razor? No.
No, that was on the second floor balcony bar there.
Oh yeah,
It comes out
That's
like
right.
case,
Yeah.
like
Can't remember
glass.
the bar, but
yeah.
It's just all they stick the smoker in there, smoke it up,
Yeah.
and they hand it to you. Like it gives you, like it's gonna give you more smoke because it's gonna get clean to the glass and everything. Theater is cool. It looks cool. It was maybe worth a $23 cocktail instead of a $22 cocktail. But like, I don't want to build it that way. Like at home, like if you're just making a drink, I'm gonna.
No,
I'm
who's
gonna-
gonna smoke a drink at home?
No, like I would do it because I have one, but I would not go out
if you
and
have
buy a
Vaportini,
smoker.
that's almost like smoking a drink.
Oh, that's
Yeah, but
true.
that's-
That's
that's
literally
vaporized.
smoking a
That's
drink.
Yeah, you
It's like
literally.
inhaling a drink.
Yeah, inhaling drink. So
See, I think like what's the drink at the Bancroft with the wooden teeth?
Hmm.
I think that because the ice cube is like smoked.
yeah, but it lasts. It's
Yeah,
gonna
that's what I mean. It lasts like so. Basically, like it'll actually even change as
Yeah,
the
it's
ice
just
cube like
diluting.
melts.
Yeah, I can see that.
Like that.
Same thing happens if you have a ice cube that's just been in the freezer too long and it's got like freezer burn to it.
Mm.
You can get extra freezer burn in your drink the longer you let it sit. Like I get that. Like the smoke thing is just it feels theater to me.
Yeah.
Trying to get it.
I know,
But-
right? But he doesn't want to move to it
Yeah.
too much.
I like the
By the way, Jen and Derek have a lion.
He does have a lion's mane.
yeah, he's a fat cat with lots of hair.
Yeah.
That is true. Like it. Maybe I may agree with Dan. Maybe it is a one and done type of drink. I probably can have two of those compared to one lion's tail or something that has a lot of like clove and allspice and
Mm.
flavors to it.
It's a good drink.
If I would have an easier time drinking it if it had more bourbon in it
Mm.
or whiskey or whatever.
You
Right.
just don't complain.
The plane went down.
That's fine. So there you go. That, my friends, is the paper plane. Go make yours today. That's it. Link below for Bartender Starter Kit and our secondary cartoon channel with our guinea pigs and raccoon, trash panda making cocktails. There you go. Teach you how to drink.